प्राइस एंड ये आता है ऐसे मीशो के ट्रांसपेरेंट पैकेजिंग में. सो लेट्स क्विकली ओपन इट अप एंड सी. एंड whenever there is an anime stuff and we're spending a lot, तो please support us and जितना हो सके हम and let us know in the comments what you want next. तो हम आपके लिए ख़रीदते हैं और इतनी सारी चीज़ें रिव्यू करते हैं तो बहुत खर्चा होता है. सो प्लीज़ हम जानेंगे वो सब चीज़ें. एंड टेल मी, अभी तक तो मेरे पास एक ही व्यूज़ है. सो लेट्स फोकस ऑन 12 होने चाहिए अबाउट, मतलब अबाउट के पूरे 12 ही होने चाहिए. एंड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 12, 12 के 12 लग तो रहे हैं. तो डब्बे को अपन रखते हैं साइड में. सो दिस इज़ ऑल 12 एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ मोर ऑफ लाइक अ चिबी स्टाइल. एंड 12 है 1100, मतलब लाइक 100 अ पीस यू कैन से. बट अगर आप एक खरीदना जाओगे तो ऐसे नहीं मिलता है यूजुअली. एंड काफ़ी क्यूट है, लाइक अ डेस्क सेटअप जहाँ पे यू डोंट वांट टू शो ऑफ, लाइक एन ऑफिस डेस्क काइंड ऑफ अ सेटअप जहाँ पे यू डोंट वांट टू शो ऑफ इन अ वे कि ओ मेरे पास इतने सारे इतने बड़े, क्योंकि आप नहीं रख सकते, डेस्क स्पेस लिमिटेड रहता है उस टाइम पे. दिस इज़ समथिंग इज़ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and here's the 12, total of a 12. So just look at this, these are amazing. Let me just how do I say, let me just zoom it in so I can show you like a little bit better. तो अगर मैं एक एक करके साइड कर लूँ तो let's start with this. This is I think Itachi. नो दिस इज़ अकात्सुकी. इताची का भाई हो नहीं, दिस इताची ओनली. अकात्सुकी मैं वहाँ तक उस लेवल तक नहीं पहुँचा, सॉरी. सो इट्स रोटेट्स लाइक एंड द हैंड्स मूव्स लाइक दिस नाइस. एंड दिस लाइक अ क्यूट चिबी कैरेक्टर. एंड सब में एक ऐसा प्लेट है एंड देन दिस. एंड मैं हाइट वाइज बात करूँ तो दिस हैज़ अ हाइट ऑफ अराउंड 6 सेंटीमीटर का हाइट है एंड विथ ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट इतना भी क्या उसमें देखना. I think I can do it better with this. So this is about like 6 centimeter by about 3.5 centimeter. So ये है एंड नाइस क्यूट लुकिंग. थोड़े से पार्ट्स मूव करते हैं, हेड रोटेट करता है. जी 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 जी. एंड अगर डिटेलिंग की बात करें, आइज़ वगैरह एवरीथिंग लुक्स नाइस, एवरीथिंग. एंड इसमें सेटअप हो जाएगा. दिस इज़ फर्स्ट. लेट्स गो टू दिस. I forgot, like really I don't know, either I forgot or either I don't think I have reached to that level where I know कि ये क्या है. So this is our second and it's also rotatable and looks cute, like just look at it. And heads rotate, things are so nice, like looks nice, cute, from different thing, looks nice, right? Absolutely. And ये आप देख सकते हो. And this is also have a similar height. No, this is like a smaller, like all have a similar height, like same height. And then let's keep this टूटा हुआ है head, not टूटा हुआ है, like you can, so it's like a Lego pieces kind of a thing, so you can go back and put this back. So it's not like an exact Lego where you, but the slots are there and it looks cute, like. And height wise बात करें, this is like 6, all are 6 and 6 by 3.5, and this looks cute. The detailing also in the legs and ये सब पूरा ही निकल गया. तो you can just make this, just गिर रहा है, but if I just do it in this way, probably this will stand. See, this stands nicely. So this is third. This person जिसके लिए Naruto is so much fighting, मैं उस stage में हूँ to get his back. Tachi's brothers, and this is how it has Shari. Oh, ऐसा वो eyes kills his own entire clan and heads rotates and looks very nice, like same height about 6 centimeters, so all are same. So I won't measure it again. Looks this way and looks nice. Just look at it, cute. So we have a lot to cover. I think we still so this is Gara. So this is how it looks. I think let me know if you like a zoomed in view of this. This is Gara, and just look at, and it's about 6 centimeter also, and has this sign and the eyes. Just look at it. The detailing is so good in the eyes. Everything. It's like and nicely printed. So this is the 12th one. Looks amazing, and this is also so good. So this is 5th. Let's do this is and it has this, see, you can rotate the head. Looks nice. It has the scroll that he always carries, things like that. This is one of the most powerful. Wants to stop Itachi, but he's like pervy sage, but in a cute chibi version. That is cute. Then let's go to this. This is a repeatable I already have, so we won't get into detail. This has a sword, I think, hidden. This, so I already have this, like ऐसे दो हो गए, so no ज़्यादा नहीं चलते हैं. Okay, one more Gara, but in a different form. Now he has a, this is a Gara, and this is like in a some hand signs to make some jutsu. This is looks cute, and there is another Gara with similar at this way, and it has a bigger head and this, so you can, but it's a little different. But I appreciate if you just have another one. Okay, let's remove all this, and this is our fan favorite Naruto, and it's a little different pose. The eyes are very nice, and the yellow color that's shining through, it's amazing, and looks nice, like looks cute, and like 6 centimeter again. Yes, it's the same 6 by 3.5. इसको भी रख देते हैं. This is forgot. This is, and he likes and इसका गर्दन टूट गया है, but you can, it's like a Lego pieces, but like a different Lego pieces, but the eye colors are so good, and the hair, the headband she wears on the head, this is this chibi characters, and the legs and everything looks nice, and you can just fit it right in, and nice. It's like a very little cute for a desk kind of a thing. This looks good. Let's go to another one. This is, it's a chibi version बनाया हुआ है. He looks, it has that dead uninterested eyes, but the hands are like thoda sa could have been better, but looks nice. Like all in all, this is amazing, good, and just cute, like same. And then again we have another Naruto, but this is Naruto with a pink, like a much more kiddish version of a Naruto, like Naruto as a kid or Naruto's kid. I have no idea. So this is how it looks. So I don't know which one is which. I think this is more Naruto because it's a headband. This may be Konarami or that because the dress match Naruto. This I don't know. So yeah, all of them, all 12 of them is here, and let's say link in the description for all of them. Bye bye. Thank you.